everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some items that I picked up from Forever 21, Zara, and UNIQLO as well. I wanted to share this video with you guys and the items that I got because I got a deal on these items. If you've seen my airport outfit ideas, there were some black boots on there that I wore with some all black pants, and I did mention that I was going to be sharing this video with you guys just to kind of show you what you can get for certain prices if you just take a little bit of time and just look. I'm not going to say that I normally get these items for such a great deal, but I do find that sometimes when I'm just patient and I just wait for something that I want, I tend to get it for a better price than I would have if I didn't wait. Okay, enough with the rambling. Let's get into what I purchased. And I will be sharing receipts with you guys. So the first item that I got is actually this button-up shirt that I have on. This shirt is like a grayish green button-up. It has vertical lines, and on the sleeve or the cuff itself, the lines are horizontal. And this shirt, I got it from Forever 21. And I paid, so it is dark green, and I paid 90 cents for this top. Yes, I said it, 90 cents for this top. See how right there it says dark green, 90 cents. So let me just start off by saying that in total, everything that I got from Forever 21, I paid a total price of $10.93. Wait till you see the items that I purchased. And I have my calculator here only because I want to calculate everything. So I did end up spending, I think, a total between every single store, I'm not sure, but I think it was less than $50. But we're going to add it all up. Some of the items weren't for me, so I just want to exclude that from the total price. So yes, let's start with this top, which like we said was 90 cents. Next top, which is a woven top tunic in blue and cream, originally was $19.90, and I paid $1.50. But yes, this is the top. It's a long sleeve, which is perfect. You can actually still wear this on a cooler summer night and in the fall as well. And yes, this is the blue top that cost me $1.50. Okay, next. I got this amazing, look at the sleeves, guys. Look at the sleeves. I got this amazing top. Here it says woven shirt, charcoal and white, originally $22.90. I paid $1.50. Woven top, charcoal white, $1.50. Guys, like, are we for real right now? So $1.50 plus $1.50, $3.90 thus far. And we're going on our fourth top. Next, we have this beautiful, like, look at this green. It's so beautiful. It's like a nice sagey green, and the material is actually really nice. It is a little sheer, but I don't mind sheer. Actually, I believe sheer is gonna really kind of come in this fall, but this is not the kind of sheer I'm talking about. It's like that sheer, but still, I don't mind this top at all. Look how beautiful it is. So this top is in dark green, originally $12, and oh, you know what, guys? I apologize. So this top was 90 cents, and then the top that I have on was olive green and cream. So this top that I have on was actually $2.10. And I apologize. So I'll just add the $2.10 to our new total. However, $2.10 for this top is a steal. And I'm not sure if I mentioned, this did not come with this. I added this separately. It's just a little brooch. But yeah, this little brooch I just added separately. I picked it up from a friend's boutique. And I just added it to the top. And these are the kinds of things you can do, guys. You can just pick up a top and accessorize it to your liking. So yes, once again, this top was 90 cents and this one was $2.10. Plus $2.10, $6 so far. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4 tops. Then we have this. I love the color of this plaid top. Once again, as we all know, now I'm making up words, but autumn is coming up soon. So I picked up this nice mustard yellow and black plaid top from, like we mentioned, Forever 21. This top was originally $17.90, and I got it for, so brown black, this one was $2.70. So far this was the most expensive top for $2.70. So let's add that. 6 plus 270. We're at $8.70. Then I picked up this phone case. This phone case is actually for an iPhone 8, which I do have. I have so many phones because I purchase my phones. I don't really turn them in, so I have all these phones lying around. So this phone case is for an iPhone 8 that I just picked up because it was so cute. This, I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is what the phone case looks like. How cool is this? And then it has this cool little strap, I'm sure, so that you can use it as a chain. But I ended up paying $2.10. $2.10. Like right now, Forever 21 is just blowing Amazon out of the water. Plus $2.10. And there's our total of $10.80 plus tax. I'm not sure why this is looking different. Maybe because it didn't charge me tax on something, but this says $11.47. However, this receipt definitely says my total was $10.93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops and a phone case. Okay guys, so the next store I purchased from was UNIQLO. I'm not sure if you've ever heard of this store, but they have great items. And I find that for the price, like the quality is really good. Sometimes you can go in there and the stuff is a little pricey, but the stuff overall is really good in that store. So yes, I'm going to share with you the items that I picked up from that store, because we're going to be showing receipts in this video. This is the receipt, and in total in this store I spent $65.40, but once again, like I said previously, I did purchase items for my husband, so it's not like everything on here was for me, so I am going to subtract that from my total price. So yes, let's start with this t-shirt dress that I picked up. This is a navy blue t-shirt dress, which I think is so cool. It says crank it up right here, and then in the back, look at how big that crank it up is. I don't know, something about this t-shirt dress I just love. It's so soft. It has these slits on the side, which makes it even cooler to me, so it's not like it's stuck on my body. It kind of flares out a little bit, like out through the front and out through the back. I love this t-shirt dress. I love, truly it's the feel of it. It feels really nice. And I paid $19.90 for this top. $10.93 plus $19.90. $30 $40.83 so far, and we've seen what we've got. We're gonna add this t-shirt that I picked up from UNIQLO, and what does it say here? Make every day count. I love these kind of slogan shirts. You know, I've worn these kind of shirts out, and my favorite part is when people comment on them and say, you know, that's a great shirt. I needed to see that today. I just love that empowerment. Like you're just a walking empowerment for people, and I just love that. So I picked this shirt up, and it says, make every day count. And yeah. Once again, what I love is how soft these tops are. This shirt is so soft. And I paid $5.90 for this top. So plus $5.90, $36.73. Everything else in here is not for me, so we're just gonna go on and proceed. Now on to my favorite item. I love this item. Like, I definitely scored. Like, when I say scored, I scored on this item. And these are a pair of black boots from Zara. These are some black sock-like boots that I got from Zara. I love these. I love the chunky heel. I love how like edgy and cool these boots look. Like I said, the chunky heel, the sock hair makes it so comfortable. These shoes, I tried them on in store, and they're just so comfortable. Honestly, I would have bought them anyways because I paid, not sure if you can see that, but I paid $9.99 for these boots. Like, $9.99. And originally they were $49.90. Like, I don't even know, guys, but $10, I just could not let them go. This chunky heel, the comfort, $10. Everything about this boot was just check. Can I have these boots, please? I love them. Like I said, these are not things that you come across often, but just take your time and look. And that's what I was doing. I was honestly just browsing in Zara, and these boots just happened to call my name. Like, I was so shocked. I had to move the tag back and forth to make sure that it was actually part of the shoe, and that's how much the shoe actually costs. But take your time, guys. Look around. You can find great deals. Like $10 for some boots. Come on, that's a deal. So $36.73 plus the $10. So my total for everything that I purchased was $46.73. So let's recap what I purchased for $46.73. Zara boots, this t-shirt dress from UNIQLO, this t-shirt from UNIQLO, this blouse from Forever21, this blouse from Forever21, this blouse, the blue one, from Forever21, this green blouse from Forever21, this mustard blouse from Forever21, and this phone case from Forever21. All of that for a whopping $46.73. Like, I bought all this stuff for less than $50. Like, can I get a round of applause, please? Thank you. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, the point of this was to show you what I got while just being patient and looking around and browsing in these stores. Sometimes we're just so quick to want to buy something when if we just wait a little bit, these items will go on sale. Yes, sometimes you run into that one item that you really wanted and it's sold out, but there are those times where those items you wanted do go on sale. Please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Tell your friends about me, your family about me. Mention that girl Carla, whose channel shares ideas on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. All they have to do is watch my videos, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, guys. Until next time.